I want to do a video about how I made a sight for a single shot shotgun. This was an old barn gun that completely rusted when I got it. I paid a whopping 15 bucks for it. Somebody cut it down to make it legal. Barely legal is what I call it. She's a beautiful barn gun, 18 and an eighth or 18 and a quarter inches. But it didn't have a sight on it, and I couldn't figure out a way to make a cheap sight commensurate with the value of the gun. So I bought one of these front sights, and they're kind of big, but they do work really well. So my solution was to get a magnet off one of these little toys here, put that magnet right on the back, and if you look carefully underneath that burr is a little round magnet, and that magnet helped me seat my rear sight. Initially, I used a 3mm bead off of dog chain type bead or glass chains. There's the beads I had, and I used one of those as the bead, but it was the front sight was too big. It really dwarfed what I had. So my solution was to put that magnet down, a little thin magnet, and you can grind them down and make them thinner if you want. I wasn't worried about windage right or left. What I was worried about was more elevation. I found that with the 3mm bead, I was just a little high. So what I did was I took this nut with a 3mm hole and I ground it down flat, and then put the magnet on there so I could position it where I wanted it, and then just use a little ampule of super glue to seat it down, just original super glue. That's the toy that I took the magnets out of. Those are little magnets. It's good to have a toothpick nearby when you're doing this, because you will need to clean some glue out of the center of that hole. Also, the other thing that I used in doing this was plumber's putty, and it worked. Let me get my plumber's putty here. Just some old-fashioned plumber's putty, and that's what the gray stuff is right there. I used that to help pool my super glue. Now when you do this, make sure you clean all the sides of the gun so you don't get some super glue that'll lock to that action. Otherwise you'll be taking a torch to it to open the gun again. I leave it open 24 hours so it gets good and dry, and then you probably shouldn't have trouble with your super glue. But that's how I did it. I'll change my windage by the front sight, which is a clamp on, slide on, really, really tight. It's probably made for 20 gauge. It does on 12 gauge okay with the 18-inch barrel. And that's how I made it, because this gun kicks so bad because that short barrel, but it's so convenient as a slug gun. And that's kind of what I want it for. I don't think it's good for anything else other than shooting slugs, because your pattern is so much. And it is a single shot, I guess, a self-defense gun, but all I want it for is the farm. To use in case I see a coyote or deer that I want to shoot. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.